Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the process on how to hide notification content from the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So start by opening the Settings app, and in Settings you want to scroll and select Notifications. From here, tap on Lock Screen Notifications, and then you should see the option Show Content and underneath Hide Content. So currently my settings are set to show content, which means that all my apps are allowed to show the contents of their notifications, including my messages. But if you want to hide the content, say you want some privacy, or you don't want, or for security reasons such as reading any important emails or documents that could be coming into your phone, then you want to select Hide Content. By selecting Hide Content, all you'll be able to do is simply see the app icon, which is signifying which app is giving you a notification, but you still won't be able to read the notification until you unlock your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.